Okay, here we have another Samsers foldable keyboard, but this one is the ergonomic folding combo and has a mouse and the keyboard, but it's laid out in a way for a real typer. And this is a travel package. Let's see what's inside. As always, Samsers, that's what I actually use daily. Believe it or not, I have their other combo version. This one is the ergonomic style. I have the normal full keyboard. This is my daily driver. So on this one, we'll see what's actually inside and record every inspiration. Nice packaging, gotta say. And fold to go, unfold to create. As always, with really nice manuals and startups and everything that you need. And the hard shell case. So all you need is right here, the KM09. This is that hard shell case. They made it look like carbon fiber. I like that. It's really cool. Anyway, let me open it up and actually see what is inside, because that's what matters more than anything else. And always, presentation on Samsung side is top notch. This is one of those stands if you need it. Right here. You have a charging cable for both. Should be a USB-C to type A. Yep, that's exactly what it is, just like the other one I already have. This is the mouse. Feels nice, just like the other one I have. I already know how these feel good, actually. On and off, and selector, yes, you can do 3 different connections. 2 Bluetooth connections, and 1 with a 2.4 gigahertz receiver and transmitter thingy here. That's really nice. That's a USB. And here you select your mouse speed and the USB-C port for charging the mouse itself. And then the keyboard itself should be in here. Nice. Oh yeah. I like that kind of faux leather that they have on the back, just like the one I already have. I like that. What is this part here? Looks like some kind of locking mechanism. Huh. This is interesting. So when you open it up, looks like if you want to lock it, look at that. So it doesn't just fold by itself just in case. This is actually cool. That's very well thought. And that's, wow. The spacing on these keys is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. I like that. Wow. And the selector and on and off buttons are right here. Turn on right here. You have the USB-C right there. And you select where it is connected via these 3, and you have the lights here for caps lock and all that other stuff. We turn on this one too, and I'm gonna put them both on the receiver just to start up with. And let me put on the receiver on the laptop for now. And here we are. Just gonna connect it on the normal USB port here, and it should connect by itself. We got a quick mat for the mouse, and yep, look at that. The cursor is, wow, this feels very fluid, gotta say. We put it on title just so you can actually see it a little bit better. Look at that. I'm not a super typer by any means, but just testing the keyboard, and I'm gonna select the first one, and oh yeah, actually it works really good. That's nice. Look at this thing. It feels very easy to type, and you have the 2 looks like I did the swipe. You have the 2 space bars right here at your thumbs, and you just type like that. This is really cool. And I mean, I don't know what else to tell you. It's actually really cool. You can add the date here, looks like. Add this one here. Can escape. Let me put the LTF4. Yep, so we can increase the brightness of the screen, or we can decrease it as well. And you have the play buttons, you have the volume buttons, as you see right here. Depends what you want to do. You can take a screenshot right here. You can play and pause when it comes to music and all that cool stuff. And you can put the alt windows like you have on Windows and whatnot, like that, as you see. And besides that, everything else actually looks pretty good. But we're going to now connect it right away to my tablet. Just a regular tablet, nothing to scream about. And I'm just going to put the tablet here. And to connect that, we're going to hold the Bluetooth 1, for example, because that's 1. I'm going to hold this. And then a light here should start blinking on the 1. Yep, it's blinking now. and it showed up right here right away. And we're just gonna connect it, pair, and yep, it's connected now. And now we just switch the mouse to Bluetooth number 1, as you see right there, that's blinking, and it showed up right here right away on our tablet. Pair here too, and you're good to go. At this point, everything is done. Look at that. Even the mouse and pointer and all that are working as intended. Look at that. I can go to settings, emails, can get the calendar here. And no, we don't need location. And this is actually really cool. So we can add a reminder here just to add some text, as you see right there. And the tab actually works right away. Afternoon, just gonna put note right there. And that's it. It is actually really cool. Does the light stuff? Yeah, so the shortcuts work here too. Look at that. Can go up and down. And can we do the volume too? Yeah, look at that. Put the volume on the end, put it down, play and pause if you need to. I'm not gonna play any music because we're here, but this is really cool. And I just took a screenshot that you can take like that. And besides that, what else can I tell you? It's actually really cool. You can take it with you anywhere you need it to come with you. And as you saw, it worked right away, whether it's on a tablet or a laptop. And besides that, what else can I tell you? And to switch it, for example, back to the laptop, all I'm going to do here is I'm going to click this button right here, turns to 1 here, and I'm going to click this to turn it to the first light again, and we are back on the laptop itself. Look at that. That's it. Samsers, really great job on design and how it feels. I really like that, especially the key travel and the key space between. That's crucial. And the keys have almost like an indentation inside to make sure that the finger rests where it's supposed to. That is really nice. And to turn it off, just here on the side where we spoke about again, turn this off here. Unclip this if you have done it like that. Boom. And the magnets that are right here will do the job. It will capture it. Boom. This is nice. And with the mouse, the same thing. Just switch the button to off and you're ready to store it on the nice designed carrying case that they actually provide with it, like that. This is really cool. For the mouse here, and we can put the other stuff in the other side if you wish so. It's totally up to you. Or you can put this keyboard, for example, instead on this side if you wish so, which I actually prefer that for some reason. And you are done. You're ready to take it with you on your next trip, wherever you're going. Again, this was the Samsers KM09, the keyboard and mouse kit. Really beautiful design.